Hello children, welcome to Standard 5, Term 2, Grammar, Prefix and Suffix. Let's see what is prefix and what is suffix and the examples of prefix and suffix. A prefix is a part of a word, always comes at the beginning of a word, change the meaning of a word. This is prefix. And suffix, it is a part of a word, always comes at the end of a word, changes meaning of a word. Prefix is a part of a word and suffix also part of a word, and prefix comes at the beginning of a word, suffix comes at the end of a word. Both change the meaning of a word. Then what is a root word? Holds the most basic meaning of any word. Is what is left when you remove all prefix and suffix. Yes, what are the remaining word is there? If you remove the prefix and suffix, that is a root word. That is a root word. Example for prefix. Miss. The prefix miss means wrong. Behave. Prefix always comes before the word, so you can write misbehave. Place. Misplace. Read. Misread. Can you think of others? Yes, you can think other examples also. Then prefixes. Pre means before. The meaning of word prefixes. Not. An means not. Miss means wrong or bad. Re means again. These words are the prefix words. Here are some meaning of the prefix words. Pre means before, an means not, miss means wrong or bad, re means again. A prefix is added before a root word to make a new word. Before a root word to make a new word. Then, for example, this is an example for suffix. Careless. Here the suffix is less. The suffix less means without, so the word careless means without care. What is meant by less? Without care. This is the meaning of less, suffix word. Here care. Care is a root word. Care is a root word. Here are some examples. Full. Joy, full. Beauty, full. This is a suffix word because the word joined with the end of the word. So this is a suffix. Toothless. Careless. This also example for suffix. Let's see some meaning of a prefix and suffix. Prefixes and suffix. Here prefix, root word and suffix. Prefix, a word added to the beginning of a root word. Suffix in between root word, and suffix means a word added to the end of a root word. Prefix and meaning. Re, again, an, not, pre, before, miss, wrong, dis, not, none, not. And some meaning of suffix. Full, full of, ly, lie, do something. Less, without, ness, being. Est, most. Er, someone who or more. These are the some meaning of prefix and a suffix. When you put these on a word, the meaning changes. Re, this is a prefix word. The meaning is do again. Replay, rebuild, reread. Un, the opposite. Unhappy, untie, unlock. Pre, pre means before. Preview, prepay. Then suffix. Full, full means full of. Joyful, careful. Less, less, without, hopeless, fearless. Er, someone who does something. Or more, farmer, painter. More, faster, stranger. Est, most, fastest, strongest. These are the some words, prefixes and suffixes. I hope you all have understood this prefix and suffix. Thanks for listening. Thank you.